proud's too much of a grind. Feels contradictory, it's hard to take in. Surrender or you'll never win. There's always been a mysterious muse. Takes two spirits and makes them fuse into one love. I can see it now. Soulmate intertwined, universal vow. She showed up, was it love at first sight? Maybe life is not so black and white.